If you want to extract a whole, or a part of audio from a video, you can do it easily in PotPlayer, without using special software. Play the media file in the PotPlayer. Set the point for recording the audio. Right-click in the PotPlayer. Point over to Audio. Audio recording. Set storage folder. Right-click in the PotPlayer. Point over to Audio. Audio recording. Record audio. Ensure the storage folder, audio type, bit rates. When all is set, click Start to record audio.
But the truth is,
Clicking the stop will create an audio file. When done, click Close. The extracted audio will be saved in the specified storage folder.
truth is, he's as fine a captain as Starfleet has.